What's up, everybody? This is Dre, one of Paul's many students out here in beautiful South Florida. Hey, I just wanted to come on here just to share with you guys my honest thoughts about what it's like being in this program. It's been a little over a month, and just to backtrack a little, my wife and myself, we've been on YouTube a little over 2 years, and like everybody else, we've seen the highs, we've seen the lows of what it's like being on YouTube. We've had challenges, and we felt like we wanted to grow but just didn't know how. And once we got in contact with Paul, and he was like, you know what, I'm gonna help you guys, we're gonna make it happen, but it's gonna be a lot of work. And we were like, you know what, let's do it. We're up for the challenge. And we saw the course, and it was filled with so many golden nuggets, like things we thought we knew about YouTube. We're like, these strategies, like, this is new. And we call it a family over here because everybody helps each other. And Paul, his work ethic is impeccable, man. Before joining the course, we were making like $500 to $600 a month. And you might ask, how did the course change your life? No, guys, not to brag, but I just wanted to show you guys how powerful this course is and how Paul works. We're now closing November, a little over 15K. That's not bad. So if you're on the fence, this is a chance of a lifetime that can change anybody's life. Once you put the work in, anything is possible, guys. And it was for us. It can be the same thing for you guys. Trust me.